Hello students, today we will solve the numericals based on equations of motion. अब like the first question we are taking is कि say a body starts from rest and it moves with an acceleration of 5 meter per second square for first 20 seconds and then it maintains the uniform motion and we have to cover the total distance covered by the body in 50 seconds. Now in this case you know that for first 20 seconds the motion is accelerated. So for that case we have to apply the equation of motion. So we are having initial velocity is 0. Time is 20 seconds, acceleration is 5 meter per second square. So for the first part of the journey, we will apply the second equation of motion, ki S is ut plus half at square. So on substituting the values, if we solve it, so we get the distance covered in first 20 seconds is 1000 meter. Now the question is saying that after 20 seconds the body maintains the uniform motion. So we have to now calculate what is the speed of the body after 20 seconds. So if we apply the formula V is u plus at, so we get that after 20 seconds the speed of body is 100 meter per second. Now it is given that after 20 seconds the motion is uniform. So whenever the motion is uniform, we will apply the simple formula that distance is speed into time, and for accelerated or retarded motion we have to apply the equations of motion. So now for the second part of the journey we can say that speed of body is 100, time is 30, so we get distances speed into time is 3000 meter, and so the total distance covered in 50 seconds will be distance covered in first 20 seconds plus distance covered in 30 seconds, means S1 plus S2, and we get the value 1000 plus 3000 is 4000 meter. Now second question we are having is, say a player throws a ball in the upward direction with an initial speed of 50 meter per second. Now the question is saying what is the value of acceleration of the body at the topmost point, velocity of the body at the topmost point, then the height covered by the body we have to calculate, and then we have to calculate after how much time the body of ball you can say will come back to the player's hand. Now in this case you know that whenever the body is moving in the upward or downward direction, means the motion is in vertical direction, then the acceleration will be acceleration due to gravity. Now in this case, because the distance covered is not of the order of radius of earth, so we take, means we are there near the surface of earth, so we assume that the value of acceleration due to gravity is constant, and that value is 9.8 meter per second square, and for the numericals we take that value to be approximately 10 meter per second square. So in this case also the acceleration of the body at the topmost point will be 10 meter per second square, and direction of acceleration will be vertically downward. Now you know at the topmost point, you know when we throw a ball up, a body upwards, then it will keep on going upward till the velocity becomes 0 and its motion is retarded motion. So we know that at the topmost point the velocity of the body will be 0. Now for calculating how much height it will rise, we will apply the third equation of motion, because you know if we throw the body with the initial speed u, it will keep on going up till the velocity becomes 0. So we have v square is u square minus 2gh, and if we apply the formula and substitute the values, then we have h is u square upon 2g because v is 0. So after solving we get the value as 12.5 meter. And then time, you know, for upward journey we can apply the formula v is u minus at. So we, in this case value wise we get u is 50 meter per second, and time is, we have to calculate, v is 0 and g is acceleration due to gravity, that is 10. So on solving we get time for upward journey is 5 seconds. Now it will take the same time for coming back also. So total time after which it will strike the player's hand is 5 plus 5 means 10 seconds. Now we will cover the remaining questions in the next video.